Today we are going to discuss family Brassicaceae. Question 1. What is the common name for the Brassicaceae family? Answer. The common name for the Brassicaceae family is the mustard family. Question 2. Describe the general characteristics of the Brassicaceae family. Answer. Brassicaceae family plants are typically herbaceous with a distinctive acrid taste due to glucosinolates. They have often alternate leaves, racemose inflorescence, and are known for their four-petaled flowers arranged in a cross shape, hence the alternate name cruciferi. Question 3. What type of flowers do Brassicaceae family members have? Answer. Brassicaceae flowers are actinomorphic, radially symmetrical, and hermaphroditic, usually consisting of four petals, arranged in a cross, six stamens, four long and two short, and a single pistil. Next question. What is the unique stamen arrangement in Brassicaceae flowers called? Answer. The stamen arrangement is termed tetradynamous, where there are four long stamens and two shorter ones. Next question. How many carpels are typically found in the ovary of Brassicaceae family flowers? Answer. There are typically two carpels fused together in the ovary of Brassicaceae flowers. Next question. Describe the fruit type commonly produced by Brassicaceae family plants. Answer. The common fruit type is a siliqua or siliqui, which is a dry, dehiscent fruit that splits open along two sides but has a persistent partition, or a silicle, which is a shorter version of siliqua. Next question. What are glucosinolates and why are they significant in Brassicaceae? Answer. Glucosinolates are sulfur-containing compounds that can be hydrolyzed to form compounds like isothiocyanates, which have a role in plant defense and contribute to the pungent taste of Brassicaceae plants. Next question. Name a key distinguishing feature of Brassicaceae leaves. Answer. Brassicaceae leaves are typically simple and alternate and often have a basal rosette arrangement. Next question. What is the economic importance of the Brassicaceae family? Answer. The Brassicaceae family includes many important crops such as cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, radish, and mustard, which are significant for food, oil production, and medicinal uses. Next question. How does the inflorescence of Brassicaceae plants typically present? Answer. The inflorescence is usually a raceme, which is an unbranched, elongated cluster of flowers with the oldest flowers at the base. Next question. What type of root system do Brassicaceae plants usually have? Answer. Brassicaceae plants typically have a taproot system. Next question. Explain the pollination mechanism in Brassicaceae flowers. Answer. Pollination in Brassicaceae flowers is typically facilitated by insects, entomophilus, especially bees, which are attracted by the bright flowers and nectar. Next question. What are the two types of fruit produced by Brassicaceae plants and how do they differ? Answer. The two types of fruits are silices and silicles. Silices are elongated and more than three times as long as they are wide, while silicles are short and nearly as wide as they are long. Next question. Name a model organism from the Brassicaceae family widely used in genetic research. Answer. Arabidopsis, sorry, Arabidopsis thaliana is a model organism from the Brassicaceae family widely used in plant genetics and molecular biology research. Next question. What type of habitat do Brassicaceae plants typically thrive in? Answer. Brassicaceae plants are versatile and can be found in a variety of habitats including temperate regions, grasslands and disturbed soils. Next question. Describe the seed dispersal mechanism in Brassicaceae. Answer. Seed dispersal in Brassicaceae is typically through mechanical dehiscence, where the silices and silicles split open to release the seeds, which can then be dispersed by wind and gravity. Next question. How do Brassicaceae plants contribute to soil health? Answer. Brassicaceae plants can improve soil health through biofumigation, where glucosinolates break down to release compounds that suppress soil-borne pathogens and pests. Next question. What is a common pest or disease affecting Brassicaceae crops? Answer. Common pests including the cabbage white butterfly, Pieris rapi, and diseases include clubroot caused by Plasmodiophora brassicae. Next question. What is the role of myrosinase in Brassicaceae plants? Answer. Myrosinase is an enzyme that hydrolyzes glucosinolates to produce biologically active compounds like isothiocyanates, which are involved in plant defense. Next question. Explain the term cruciferous in relation to Brassicaceae. Answer. The term cruciferous refers to the characteristic cross-shaped arrangement of the four petals in Brassicaceae flowers. Next question. Name a Brassicaceae plant that is used for its oil. Answer. Canola, a cultivar of Brassica napus, is used for its oil, which is low in pyruvic acid and used in cooking and food processing. Next question. What is the primary chromosome number of Brassicaceae plants? Answer. The primary chromosome number in Brassicaceae plants is often n equals to 8, but it can vary among species. Next question. Describe the role of Brassicaceae plants in phytoremediation. Answer. Brassicaceae plants like Brassica juncea, Indian mustard, are used in phytoremediation to absorb and detoxify heavy metals from contaminated soils. Next question. What is the significance of secondary metabolites in Brassicaceae? Answer. Secondary metabolites such as glucosinolates play a crucial role in defense against herbivores and pathogens and have health benefits for humans, including potential anti-cancer property. Last question. How does the floral formula of Brassicaceae typically look? Answer. The typical floral formula for Brassicaceae is K4C4A2 plus 4 G2, indicating a bisexual flower with 4 sepals, 4 petals, 2 plus 4 stamens, tetradynamous, and a bicarpellary syncarpous gynoecium.